Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
First, prepare your iPhone and Apple Watch for pairing with simple checks. Make sure Bluetooth is on and the iPhone runs the latest iOS version. Unlock your iPhone and turn on Wi-Fi. Next, place the Apple Watch near the iPhone within 3 feet for best signal. Ensure the watch has at least 50% charge or keep it on the charger while pairing. If you see a prompt on the iPhone, follow on-screen instructions to begin. Open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and tap Start Pairing to begin. Hold the Apple Watch so its face appears in the iPhone camera viewfinder. Align the on-screen pattern and wait for a confirmation that pairing succeeded. If the automatic option fails, choose Manual Pairing and tap the watch name. After pairing, select whether to set up as a new watch or restore from an iCloud backup. Stay close until setup completes. Finish setup by signing in with your Apple ID to enable activation lock. Choose your wrist preference and create a watch passcode for security. Opt to enable Apple Pay and configure emergency contacts during setup. Decide whether to install available watch apps now or later on your iPhone. Allow time for apps, health data, and settings to sync between devices. Sync duration varies with data size, so keep both devices nearby until the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.